In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom JavaScript in WordPress. Let's start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. This is the control center of your website. Here you manage all your content, plugins, and settings. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. Enter your username and password, then click the login button. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's important to know where everything is. Now, let's move on to the next step. Head over to the Plugins section. You'll find it on the left-hand menu. Hover over Plugins and click on Add Plugin. This is where you can add new features to your WordPress site. Plugins are like apps for your website. They extend functionality and make your site more powerful. From there, you'll want to search for a specific plugin, WPCode. In the search bar, type in WPCode. This plugin is a handy tool that allows you to add custom code snippets to your site. It's well regarded for its flexibility and ease of use. Once the search results appear, look for WPCode. It should be one of the top results. Plugins are ranked by popularity and reliability, so you'll often find the best ones at the top. Next up, click on Install, then Activate. Installing a plugin is like downloading an app, and activating it is like opening the app for the first time. This step is crucial because it makes the plugin ready to use. Once activated, you'll be able to access its features. You'll see a brief confirmation message to reassure you that everything is working correctly. With that ready, navigate to Code Snippets. You'll find this option on the left-hand menu. Hover over it, then click on Header and Footer. This section of WP Code allows you to manage scripts that run in the header or footer of your site. It's a convenient place to add custom code without altering your theme files directly. This keeps your site organized and safe from accidental changes. Scroll down to find the footer scripts or header scripts section. Depending on where you want your JavaScript to execute, choose the appropriate area. Usually, JavaScript is added to the footer to ensure it doesn't delay the loading of your page content. This practice can help improve your site's performance as your content loads first and the scripts load afterward. Once you've decided, paste your JavaScript code in the designated box. Be careful when pasting code. Make sure it's clean and error-free to avoid any issues on your site. Incorrect code can cause problems, so double-check for accuracy. This is important because even a small mistake can affect the functionality of your site. Now click Save Changes. This action ensures that your JavaScript code is stored and active on your site. You'll notice a confirmation appear, letting you know that your changes have been successfully saved. That's it. You've just added custom JavaScript to your WordPress site. Well done. Adding custom scripts can enhance your site's interactivity and functionality. Remember, whenever you add new scripts, always test them to make sure everything works as expected. Thank you for following along. I hope this guide made the process clear and straightforward. Tune in next time for more WordPress tips and tricks.